Good morning, everyone. During my live session yesterday, an Igbo man from Botswana called in and he gave a very interesting story about what happened, between him and the Nigerian embassy in Botswana. It might interest you to watch to the end. Believe me, you are going to understand so many things in this video and enjoy it as well.
So let me thank you very well. Okocha, in all these things, I've been listening to so many platforms. I've been hearing what people are contributing and what people are saying about Igbos being bigots, Igbos being this, Igbos being that. I want to start like this, I see. Igbos voted for Obasanjo. They were not bigots. Overwhelmingly, Igbos voted for Jonathan. They were not bigots. Igbos voted for Atiku. They were not bigots. Igbos voted for so many other people that are not from Igbo land. They were not bigots. Then, this time, because Igbos voted Peter Obi, on my own opinion, I don't know of every other person's opinion, Peter Obi is the most competent. I'm not saying it because I'm an Igbo man. Among those three people that contested for that election in 2023. But let me talk. There's a friend of mine. He came here one time. He's a Yoruba man. He told me, Mr. Chaik, I answered him. He came to my office. He said, Mr. Chaik, that, when he was like parking his car in front of my garage, that he was thinking of something that Igbos should make friends. If Igbo wanted to be president of Nigeria, they should make friends among other tribes. Then I asked him, how many friends did Obasanjo make when Igbo voted for him? If not for people that voted for that came out, Tinubu wouldn't have won this election to start with. Buhari has planned it. They've planned everything to let the thing go back to the north. Because they brought out certain policies, Naira the design, this and that. I heard Nwike one of those days when he was talking to people in Port Harcourt. He said the hero of this election was Peter Obi. That if not for Peter Obi, the power would have gone back to the north. I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it because I'm an Igbo person. I'm saying let the right thing. Igbos always believe let the right thing be done. Igbos don't vote for them like me. There are some people in Igbo land, when they come out, I will not vote for them. I won't mention them. I will vote a Yoruba man and an Hausa man. But I don't know Peter Obi from Adam. But you can hear, you see the empathy, you see the passion, how he talks. Let me be honest with you, my brother. I just want to just give me a time. Let me give you a brief story. I'm in my office here. My partner is a Botswana. I'm talking in front of her. I started business with her here in Botswana. When I came to Botswana 2003. 2003, I came to Botswana. When I came to Botswana, Botswana was still developing. What did I do? I went to UK. When I came back from UK, I bought some trucks. I got involved with a Botswana person. We started a business. We got into construction. So when we were delivering sand all over Botswana, you can ask of Chike, anybody you know in Botswana. I was delivering sand. Our people, Igbos, we build houses here. They took their sand. One day, I put my business into advert. Our embassy, Nigeria embassy, called me to come and deliver sand at their place. It was an Hausa man, I think, or Yoruba man, I forgot to. So they didn't know I'm an Igbo person. So when they called me, they said I should come and bring sand at the embassy. So when I got a load of sand, brought 3, they called me to come and take my money. So when I got there for the payment, I wrote the receipt. I gave her. Then he said, am I a Nigerian? I said, yes. He said, from where? I said, from Igbo. He said, you told me to go from Igbo to come and deliver sand here in Botswana, to come and do sand. My partner is there, he's laughing. She's laughing. So come and do sand here in Botswana. That how come these Igbo people, you came all the way from Nigeria. From Nigeria. That's my partner, is one computer. He was there to come and do sand here in Botswana. If it was in Yoruba, or they would say that you are taking their land. Serious. I was paying for it. You understand? They would say you are taking their land. I was in the Sakama airport. My company was involved in the construction. So Sadek House, so many houses, the new mall. My partner is the one who is contributing. He's a Botswana. So some of these things are jealous. I heard somebody who was saying that Igbos should go and develop their place. Please, my brother, tell me. Apart from Lagos, Abuja, which other place is more developed than Igbo? Other people wouldn't be coming to act. If you want people to go and divide Nigeria, let everybody know we can't be one. Then you'll be telling me, and people should go and develop their place. Why federal government will be taking the money that I got from Igbo land to develop other place? Who does that? No, this is, let's be factual. You say Igbo should go and develop their place. Remember, this Igbo you are talking about, it has been splitted. Some people now are denying that they are not Igbo. Some people from Delta say they are not Igbo. It's only people who know, it's only the rich ones who will say now they are Igbo. Those poor ones now, they've made them to believe they are not Igbos. So you take something from Igbo land, you can't develop other place. You want Igbos to go to their place, to go and develop their place, my brother. This is why you can see that this is just a jealous. We can't continue like this. If they want us to divide Nigeria, let's divide Nigeria. It's not about Igbo. Igbos are not the problem of Nigeria. Igbos are not the only tribe there. All you can see here is jealous. Here in Botswana, where we are, when in Botswana, Igbos are everywhere here. What do? They open shops, they build houses, they build their malls, and they do their business. We are more than 500 Igbos here doing business. So this thing of Igbos that the Igbos are selling this, Igbos are doing this small thing, it's not going to work because Igbos haven't done anything wrong to anybody. Okay, let's come to the issue of this woman, Okocha. Please, can I ask you a simple question? Can I ask you?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, talk to me.
Okocha, please let me ask you. I come to you. You heard me now. I said, Mr. Okocha, I'm going to kill you. I said, Okocha, I'm going to kill you. If I say I'm going to kill you in front of you, you will not do anything. You will also look at me and laugh. You will say, this woman now, let's see, we will all blame her. No, you're not supposed to go that too far. We don't kill people. But they've brought out a platform where they say that this woman, some people were discussing how to kill Igbos. They can kill their children.
Yeah.
One woman now, I said that no. I said, that woman, they just cut out the woman's phone, and everybody was spreading the news, and they were happy. Because if I tell you now, say, because if you tell me you're going to kill me, I will not look at you, I will tell you, I'm going to kill you.
That is it.
This is it. How can you tell somebody you're going to kill that person? Then I'll look at you, people say he's not supposed to react, he's not supposed to talk, he will not and go. And this didn't just start today, they've been doing it. They said the show of Lagos did it. Tinubu's wife. Why are they after Igbo's property? Because in this Botswana, this is my partner. Her name is Beauty. Her name is Beauty Matari. Apart from the locals, Indians, Igbos are competing with Indians and Chinese here. Igbos are competing with Indians and Chinese here in building places, in businesses. Before this we're into business of importing of car sales. The people who dominated it when I came here was Indians. Indians were the only ones doing that business because they believe in capital intakes. Our men, our guys do to like you know what people they do? They will bring one person will open garage, other people will bring their cars and put there. From there, because before one person cannot start, so one person will open a garage, other Igbos. They will all everybody will bring their cars there. In that, from there now, my brother, more than 20 Igbo guys in a garage here. More than the city in Kenya now.
That is
fully filled up.
That is so, yeah, that is so nice. Try to summarize it. We have exhausted your time.
So, what I'm going to say, let's stop gaslighting him. Hey, go and develop your place. Go and do this. Go and do that. No, we are doing one Nigeria. If they want to go and develop their place, let them divide Nigeria. Let's take our resources and go and develop Nigeria. Because Igbos are buying houses in America. Igbos are buying houses in London. Igbos are buying houses in South Africa, in Botswana. Most of the people in Namibia, most of the people who live here, they build their house, they live their houses. Where I am selling cars, I bought it. Oh my God, I'm selling cars. So you can tell Igbos where I'm developing, where I live is where I protect. So where I live is where I'm going to build my destiny. So please, my partner here, he came to my wedding in Nigeria. He stayed in Nigeria for 2 weeks also when I was doing my wedding. So please, let's stop listening of the Igbos haven't done anything. It's just a mere jealousy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.